Hello friends, in this lecture we discuss preparation of ketone. By Grignard reaction. We understand Grignard reagent is alkyl or aryl magnesium halide. I am writing here Grignard reagent. It is denoted by, indicated by RMgX or ARMgX. Alkyl or aryl magnesium halide is our Grignard reagent. In this process, cyanide or nitrile compound can be converted to ketone with the help of Grignard reagent. Again I repeat, starting material is cyanide or nitrile and final product is ketone. I am writing here two reactions. CH3 C triple bond N. Name of this compound is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide is common name. IUPAC name should be ethane nitrile. See, this reagent will react with Grignard reagent. I will select CH3MgBr. This bond will break, MgBr will attach here and methyl group will attach with carbon. So we have intermediate like this. Methyl group as such, carbon. Instead of triple bond, now we have double bond. N. This methyl group of Grignard reagent will attach like this and nitrogen will attach with MgBr. So valency should be as such. Nitrogen 3 valency, magnesium 2. This is intermediate. Next step will be hydrolysis. We can write H3O plus or H2 oblique H plus. This is hydrolysis step. Very simple process. Here, this hydrogen will attach with nitrogen. So it is NH2. This is bromine. So magnesium containing two group. One is NH2, another is Br. NH2 minus, Br minus. Means MgNH2Br is our byproduct. Minus. This oxygen will attach here. So we obtain final product CH3 C double bond O CH3. Name of this compound is acetone or name of this compound is propanone. See, suppose we want to prepare CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. That means we want final product butane 2-O. We consider starting material same CH3 C triple bond N. Means name of this compound is methyl cyanide or it is known as ethane nitrile. 2 carbon here, we have 4 carbon in final product. That means our Grignard reagent must contain 2 carbon because 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So I will select Grignard reagent ethyl magnesium halide, bromide or chloride. Again, as we discussed in above case, CH3 CN, one bond is broken out. This ethyl group will attach with carbon and MgBr will attach with nitrogen. So I am writing with color chalk here. CH2 CH3, ethyl group will attach here and MgBr will attach here. As discussed above, Our final product should be obtained with the help of hydrolysis. I am simply writing here H2O and H2 MgBr. That means byproduct is MgNH2Br. Oxygen will attach here, so we get final product. So this is our preparation of ketone with the help of Grignard reaction. Many ketones, alkyl, both side alkyl groups, both side aryl, or alkyl or aryl group containing ketones we can obtain with the help of this reaction. More reactions we will discuss in classroom with some mechanisms also. Thank you.